Hello everyone, my name is Caden with Dragon Horde Studio, and today I am going over the changes I've made to the AI and the AI spawning system in my game Aurora City. So as for right now, the AI is still in a rough state. I have it to where the AI spawner can now just be changed in the level itself. I no longer have to go into the blueprint of the spawner to change variables for what enemies I want to spawn, how many I want to spawn. All I have to do now is just click on the spawner and go, hey, I want this many enemy forces total. I want this many of the specific guard. I want this many of the specific sniper. And with this system, I can add on new variants of enemies, like maybe a heavy person, maybe a boss. I don't know, maybe androids or something. Just whatever new variant I can think of, I can add them to this. And this will also work with all enemy factions I can come up with. So, you know, gangsters, survivors, maybe some ally militias. This system will be able to spawn whatever I want, how many of I want, and specifics of what I want. The other changes is to the AI pathing. As far as the system to detect the player, run and take cover, as well as a few attempts to try and get them to move out of cover to shoot the player, as well as actually get them to look and shoot at the player. So right now the system in place has the AI actually taking cover when they spot the player, and as they're moving they are attempting to shoot. There are a few cases you can see the bullets fly. And this system prioritizes the AI taking cover out of line of sight from the player. And as you can see here, they are shooting at the player is taking damage. But the problem I'm having right now is that the EQS system I have in place for moving to a position where the AI can shoot at the player, whenever I have that in play on the behavior tree, it just breaks the behavior tree. The AI just doesn't change the logic path it's running. So I don't know about that. As well as I've tried something to get the AI to just look at the player as they're moving so they can shoot at the player. That doesn't work as well as you can see. This is really the only case where I got the AI to look at me by chance, and then they can continuously just shoot at me because it's running that attack path. So those are things I still need to try and hammer out. But as far as the AI goes, this is a much better system than I had in place. It was just running away from the player. It wasn't taking cover, it wasn't trying to stay in cover, it was just running to the furthest point for the player. So it now takes cover closest to it, away from the player's line of sight. I do have it so when it takes cover it does crouch. Again, there's no animations. So that's the next thing I'm working on for the next video. I will work on all the AI behavior tree stuff in the background. For the next video, it'll be the fleshing out of the level design of this area. Really give the player something to explore and play around in, as well as some of the more nice things, such as like sound effects, maybe a crosshair on the sniper when you zoom in, adding a rain effect, and setting the time of day to something a bit more appropriate to what I want. But those will be for next time, and hopefully next time I have the AI a bit more sophisticated and able to move and shoot and actually shoot from cover appropriately. And if you want to see that, go ahead and hit that subscribe, hit the noti bell, and join the email list to get the early playtest build and give me your feedback. And until next time, have a good day.